Hi there, how are you guys? It's me, the lazy Diday. I'm back, and today I'm gonna show you on this video the tasting of Dinuguan pork blood and the pork grilled and the pork soup. And you're about to see how Diday is so maarte about the food. No, I'm not maarte in the food, but this is not really my type, but I will try, and there's a surprise at the end of this video. And I hope you like the surprise of the dinuguan, because just watch and watch until the end how Dida is gonna die about this trying this food, this dinuguan. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. um this is my first time to eat this. I never, so this is for my community, and today I'm the one who going to eat first because my dodong, she almost going to start eating. It's not filming yet. It's not filming yet. All right, you can try that too. So we have this.
Can I dip it in here?
Yeah, that's your favorite vinegar, the Filipino vinegar. So the blood, this is all blood. Okay, so this one is
Very cool.
Bachoy. Bachoy Tagalog. It's not the Lapas Bachoy. We do have a Bachoy, Lapas Bachoy. The original is not Miswa. So, guys, here for me.
Cool. Cool.
This one, did you request this? My child request this. And then I said, no, I'm not gonna cook that. I don't like that. And then one day, somebody requested on my channel. Yeah. Cebuana at heart.
I told DJ to make a big profile that you requested on your channel.
That's Cebuana, so hang on. I never cooking. This is the first time that I cook. I never tasted.
I don't know what you're talking about cooking because I don't believe I saw you in the kitchen. There was some other chick in there cooking.
Oh, yeah, Madam is cooking this because she have a bad day because of her dining table. So she cooked this for me, and I'll have to try it. Here you go. I need more ginger.
Each knee song. Oh. Need some hot sauce.
I can't taste it. I ate a lot of ginger. And there. Oh, that's powerful. Okay, let's try this too. Try it.
Smells good.
Not.
Good.
Is it good?
Good.
Huh?
Delish.
Well, mine is yummy thing. See, I'll show to the. There's no blood in it. There's no blood in here. Tricky.
Tastes like tofu.
Huh?
Just Just tastes like tofu.
I like the bok choy. I like the ginger. Okay. Next, the dinuguan.
No.
Ouch. You see this, guys? This is blood. You have to taste it too.
Okay.
So this is meat and then the blood liquid. Cheers! I think I need rice for this. Dinuguan, they have this
Wonderful and give it a pass.
Dinuguan is the pair for this is they call it the puto. Let's try the blood. Dun 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 dun. Brain. Dun 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 dun. Brain. Not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. Then I put it there. I like the lapas, not lapas, the bok choy Tagalog. I like it. Eat one in there. What?
I didn't see it. Just like pudding.
Okay, cheers. I need rice. Oh. And the drinks. Guys, I'm just drinking soft drinks, okay?
It's just lemonade and strawberry.
Yeah, totally.
And I just purified it with a little vodka. Make sure there's no germs.
Exactly. You have to.
It's hot out here.
So, in the Philippines, one religion in there that they don't eat this dinuguan or any kind of blood stuff, the Iglesia ni Cristo. So one day, I was invited with a friend birthday, and they have this dinuguan, and she asked me to have some, and I says no, I don't eat that. And then she says right away, "Oh, are you Iglesia ni Cristo?" And then I was like, "Okay, yeah, I am." Liar! Just to avoid doing that.
You're going to hell.
So I lied. Because when the first time
You're going straight to hell.
first time
What else have you lied about?
That's why I'm going to see.
You got stuff in your chest.
I'm going to see Lucifer.
Those noodles are hard.
Yeah. It's getting long now, so I have to say goodbye and thank you for watching me. And then see you next time on my video. And but I'm not looking. That's rude. So my video is getting long now. Isn't it sound sexy? So my video is getting long now, and I have to end it. And I hope you enjoy the food that I cook, and I did not enjoy it though. Thanks for Cebuana at heart for this request, ridiculous request.
Ridiculously good.
For this ridiculous good.
Ridiculously good.
Ridiculously good. He said. It's not. It's not good for me. Joke. For this first time experience to eating this and cooking this, and See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Yung dinuguan tunay. Dinuguan. Na ikaw nagluto niyan, Nay? Ikaw po nagluto niyan? First time ko po kakain yan eh. First time ko. Huh?
That dinuguan is kind of bland.